Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can find account and routing number on BMO. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your BMO app, and then right away you will find this option of deposits where you will find your bank. Now go ahead, tap on this option of checking. Then as soon as I've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like, including routing number and current balance at the bottom. You can directly check it out. We're not going to be showing that for the security reasons, but you can check out the routing number right over there. And the account number on top, you will see checking, and the number, 4-digit number will be there. Tap on it and your account number will be shown right away. And that is basically it. All you gotta do is open up your account, make sure you're signed in and your app has been updated. Then go ahead and tap on the account that you would like to see the routing and account number of. Tap on it and your routing number and account number will be visible within a tap. That's basically how it is. If you got more questions regarding any of the issues, make sure to leave them in the comments below. We'll make sure to get back to you. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.